Right now, everything in space, planets, stars, even entire galaxies, is moving at speeds we can barely imagine. Nothing is still. The invisible force conducting this cosmic ballet is gravity. It pulls objects together, shaping their paths through the void. Think about a planet's orbit. It's not just floating, it's constantly falling toward its star, while also moving forward at immense speed. This balance creates a perpetual curve, a path where it keeps missing. That same principle keeps our satellites in the sky. They're just moving fast enough sideways to constantly miss Earth as they fall. And this motion is layered. Planets spin on their own axis as they travel, while moons circle them in smaller loops. Zoom out even further, and our entire solar system is hurtling through the cosmos, orbiting the center of the Milky Way. So while the night sky might look calm and peaceful, it's actually a fast, endless dance, driven by the silent forces of gravity and motion.